Welcome everyone to the ECP demo class. I'm Rakesh Singh, your own payroll pre-sales demo expert. Let's see what we are going to learn in this video. This video covers the side-by-side extensibility functionality for SuccessFactors via SAP Build. We'll see how we have built a global payroll dashboard using this functionality. For this, we need to go to the configure latest people profile. As you have seen, I have added 3 cards. I will show how to add a new card. Click on the create extension. Once you are in the this particular view, you need to select, it's right now connecting to a BTP system. You select this particular option. Then you select the SAP Fiori card. I will be using the line card. Go to the next. Then I give a title. I'll just give a test title, test line card, testing line card. Select the dev space of the Business Application Studio, which is SAP Fiori. This is a summary, create it. Now, this action is basically creating a BTP UI card program in the BTP, and in next 1 minute we are going to see that particular UI card in the BTP, in the Business Application Studio. So let's go to the SAP Build. Now we are navigating to the development environment, Business Application Studio. This is how the UI card looks like. Those who have worked with the UI card in WorkZone, they might be familiar with that. We just have to change the manifest.json. This data that you see is a default data which got created when I picked up the line card. Now I have changed that program with my payroll cost trend program. As you can see, I have a ECP destination defined and the URL defined. It's a real-time card which will log into the EC payroll. I have created certain OData APIs in the EC payroll, and this is how the BTP destination of ECP will be called in this particular UI card, right? The results will be the one which will get the response back from the EC payroll, and then I take those data to define the dimensions and the measures and plot it on the chart that you see in the preview. As you can see in the preview, it is already connecting to the EC payroll and extracting the data and showing it over here. Now we are now trying to deploy this file and deploy the card to the SuccessFactors, right? And we are going to deploy it. Right, click on the manifest.json. Now, before that, the same thing, the card preview, I wanted to show it to all of you. Right, click on this and say UI integration card deployed to SAP SuccessFactors. When I click on this, it basically goes and tries to deploy it. And I need to select that EC instance. It failed because this particular name I have already given it to one of the older card. So I changed this card name to testing line card, the one which I had given the name over there. The test line card, the card is ready. I'll delete this particular deployed file and I redeploy it with this new name which I just gave to it. Select the EC instance. Now it's deployed successfully, as you can see in the bottom right corner. Let's go back to the EC and see how can we access this card and add it to our category. So I go to the add card, select the custom SAP BTP build card, apply, select. Now the test line card should be visible over here. Print down, and here it is. Test line card. Save it. And then we go to the latest configure latest people profile. Here I'll just move it to the another category, move to payroll. And once I go to payroll, I'll be able to see that over here. Yes. So as you can see, payroll cost trend. Let's go back to the payroll category, and here it is. The testing line card that we have designed, it's visible over here. Same way, using the same functionality, I have defined this global payroll dashboard, which is getting the real-time data from the EC payroll backend and displaying it over there. As you can see, I have headcount, payroll cost trend, and the year-to-date payroll cost mechanism.